Everyone knows creosote buildup in the chimney is dangerous, but a professional chimney sweep removes all the creosote from your chimney, right? Wrong. There are three types or stages of creosote buildup. The first two stages are removable with traditional chimney sweeping methods. On the other hand, third stage creosote is not. Third stage creosote is more of a glazed buildup of unburnt fuel. It is extremely flammable, difficult to extinguish, and can only be removed by a chemical reaction from an acid treatment. It's caused by burning soft or wet wood, or by a poor draft allowing the smoke to resonate in the flue. 90% of chimney fires in the US are caused by third stage creosote buildup. If you suspect there's a buildup of any creosote, especially third stage creosote in your fireplace, call the experts at Certified Chimney today at 844-PRO-SWEEP. Don't think your chimney's safe. Know it's safe.